Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews into your Wix website. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. Begin by visiting elfsite.com and logging in. We chose to use a Google account for this. Once you're in, find the option Create Widget and select it. This will take you to the Apps catalog. From there, choose Google Reviews app. You'll see various templates available. Pick anyone that suits your needs, and then proceed with Continue with this template. A search bar will appear to help you find your business. For example, we type in Starfreud Wellness Clinic. Once selected, the reviews will start to display, and you can select your preferred layout. Next, navigate to Style, where you'll find different features and options to customize the look. For instance, to change the background color, simply choose your favorite shade and finalize your choice. In the Settings section, you'll discover more features, such as the option to change the rating format. Once you're satisfied with your settings, publish the widget to activate it. Then, close the window, and on the next page, select Install. You'll see an HTML code, copy this, and head over to your Wix website editor. In your Wix editor, add elements by navigating to the Embed Code section and choosing Embed HTML. Paste the code you copied earlier into the provided space and update it. And that's it! The reviews will now appear. Adjust the length and height of the widget to ensure it looks perfect. Then publish your website to make it live. Use the preview option to see how the widget will appear in the live version. Additionally, adjust the size for the mobile version. Once resized, switch to preview mode to test it. You've successfully integrated Google Reviews into your Wix website. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.